Okay, taking the left tunnel, which I believe is going to open up into the large glory holes they used to call it, or large cavity that produced most of the silver. You can see more of the ore bins, which means there's cavities above our head. And if I'm not mistaken, you can see where one of the lifts was at, where they used to haul men and machinery up to the surface. Let's take a look. Here you can see where one of the lifts I was talking about is at. This particular bucket here, they would haul up to the surface, and it could be taken out a lot easier than running it through this long drift. You can see where these gentlemen here, one of them a Chinese worker, and one of them looks like a Cornish immigrant. They're in here hauling the ore up to the surface. They would have to muck it up off the ground, bring it in, load it into this bucket. They'd ring the bell, the man on the top would hear it, and they'd hoist it all the way up to the surface, where it could be hauled out a lot faster. Sometimes the tunnels were so deep that they didn't have time to have the men leave. They would either stay in the tunnels while it's being blasted, or they'd even create little bunkhouses like this one. It's a lot cooler down in the tunnels, and it's a lot easier to come down here and live than try to build your own house, which most miners couldn't afford. You can see where they have their own little makeshift bunkhouse down here to live in the mines. Trust me, it's a lot cooler, especially around July and August, to live down here in the tunnels than up on the surface. We're going to try to head back to the glory holes. Let's go.